So friends, we are taking a leave from Pinnacle Viewpoint here at Kokad. But don't leave us and go, because you're going to catch some breathtaking beauty along with us when we drive back on our Royal Enfield 350cc. So don't miss it out. Don't skip the video. Stay tuned with us and continue our journey till we take you to that wonderful place now.
Actually speaking, there are more wonderful scene than this, right? Along the way. So we're gonna capture all that stuff, and it's a wonderful scene over here
As well.
on the way. Little bit more. I mean, not almost like this.
Yeah.
But
Different. It's a bit different.
A little bit different. We can actually see a great sight of this area.
Uh-huh.
I really love this place.
Yeah.
Very beautiful place.
And since they have made the new road, it is all the more easy. 2 years back when we did our first vlog of Pinnacle Viewpoint over here, that time the road was quite bumpy. The road was under construction, but today we really enjoyed. So you're going to have a smooth ride on our Royal Enfield. So stay tuned with us. Don't skip and go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Friends, last time when we came here, the road was really bad, and now the road is really cool. I mean, you can even come with your car. Car would be better because early morning, the rainy season. If you're coming this season,
Yeah.
this month, please come in your car, because morning today we got really delayed because of rain.
Right.
And see the road.
Nice and smooth.
The road only you get it. And amazing road, right?
Right. Nice and smooth road. One side there are houses, and the other side onto my right, it is full valley, full deep valley. Lots and lots and lots of trees.
It sound right, boys.
Rubber tree is very common in this area, right?
True, true, yes.
Normally hold. Then I told you to hold it.
Hi, because of that.
Because we are getting into that place, no? I normally only hold. Otherwise we will get this
No, I'm keeping it up. Oh, I could spot one man doing the rubber tapping work. It's still cold, right?
It's a bit cold.
Still cold.
Did we miss that place?
Look at that mountain over there on top. Mountains views are quite hazy due to the fog and mist. And this side is pineapple plantation, friends.
Pineapple is there in North India. Like,
Wow, this is great. Pineapple plantation in a large area of land. Lots of pineapple plantation. Now this side is the valley. This is Venchempu. 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 So horns buzzing from all the side. Where to look, where to go.
very fast.
Early morning, less traffic, so people are in a usual. Road is good.
The terrain is not
Terrain is not that flat, right?
very nice, beautiful home there, this side.
Wow, such a beautiful home. And now we are going down. And now we are climbing up. This is the fun of driving here. One time we are up, one time we are down. So you get all mixed experiences of driving over here. Some log of woods. Not that broad road, but not that narrow also, isn't it?
We are going down now to the
Now again we are going down. Which gear? First gear?
from here actually.
Yes.
So another trip when you are going down, always have to put the same gear.
Come up, yeah.
You don't have to apply the so gear, right?
Mm.
You don't have to apply the brake. It's a place for luxury.
There's a little brook over here. So I'll tell you the name of this place is Venchempu. Venchempu. Now it's a broad, smooth road. People having their tea in the morning. Slowly the day is breaking.
It's in between actually Punalur and Kotarakara.
It's in between Punalur and Kotarakara, okay.
Coming from Kotarakara actually you can take this road.
Uh-huh. Now again a junction. People are standing, talking. Autos are waiting for their savari. Roads are very good. Vetikavala, Chitrakonam and Kokad, 3 things was there in that. Ooh. Stay away, baby. You're on the road. Like this, okay. The newspaper hawker busy with his distribution of the newspaper. Nice road, enjoying the ride. Lots of curves, honey. Lots of curves. Right, right. Right, right.
We don't know where the car is going. Go to the back first.
Again, deep valley over there. Lots of rubber plantation. Calm, green, beautiful, fresh, so nice. Look at these tilted rubber trees. we have reached to another place, that is Kokadu. This is Kokad Junction, Ani. It's Kokad Junction.
Beautiful village, right?
Very beautiful. Look at these rubber trees. They have put this green color polythene sheet to safeguard the water from coming to the collected sap, I think so. We are driving slowly at the speed of 40. Slow and steady wins the race. How's that, buddy?
No, I mean, you cannot see the field.
And we are not in the race.
Yes, the roads are really, curvy, no?
Roads are very curvy, and we have some blind spots like this. We don't know which vehicle is coming from the other side.
These guys will overtake in turning also.
Yeah, even in turning, many people do overtaking, which is not right.
Fun driving here, but you have to be.
Careful, correct. That's absolutely right.
Sometimes the best is on the country, right?
Hmm.
From here we have to take a right.
Okay.
We are taking a shortcut. We are
Okay.
going to take you guys very beautiful passage of our this trip.
Ooh la la. So again we are going uphill now. Chal mere bullet tuk tuk tuk. Bullet's engine is working very hard, yes. Wow, so beautiful. A nice lovely home as well.
These are
Honey, what are these trees? सुपारी का पेड़ है। कितने प्यारे हैं। Betel nut, right? Yeah, I think so, if I'm not wrong.
in Malayalam it's Kavum.
Mm-hmm.
These are actually interior village of this like this.
Interior village, okay. The Vandi coming. Go slow. Blind spots and terrain up and down, curvious. We don't know, and the other people are all driving very fast over here. We are the only noobs driving at the speed of 30, 40.
Maybe because of their youth.
Yeah. No, we drive safe. We don't do racing with anybody. We don't want to prove anything. We are having a pleasure ride.
We are just enjoying the ride.
Any brook nearby?
On the way.
Lot many canals, lot many brooks.
One side up, one side down. Okay.
Seriously, one time up, one time down. You were confused
I am confused.
where this autobaya will go. Interior roads, no, so they will not bother about much, no, about following the rules and as such. Oh, let's see that Poochie cat sitting over there. Look at that Poochie cat. These kind of rides actually refreshes you. Physically, you will feel little bit strain of driving, but the visuals and the serenity, the early morning calmness, freshness, this will refresh your mind as well as your heart for sure. Rest, you can take a nap and you can rest your body, but what about relaxation of your mind and your heart?
You look at everywhere, it's all green.
Everywhere it is greenery, everywhere.
Coming down, we actually need to go, remember? Instead of turning here, we went
Straight inside, yeah. What is it? Anjama Kuzi. Name of this place? Anjanam Kuzi.
Anjanamguri, literal translation of Anjanamguri in Malayalam is like, for Malayalam is like 5 elephant
Dwelling together?
well. No, Gudi is like
Kudi. Well.
Gudi also is a well.
This is great. I really want to see one time how they are putting these logs of wood in their trolley, how they are uploading it.
Again, they don't know what is happening.
Totally blind. When you reach top only you can understand, okay, the road is going down.
We told you, guys, you should watch this ride, right?
Right,
To understand another type of geography of Kerala.
right. Now I'm waiting to spot some brook to see the gushing water. Yes, one over here, a little canal. It's a canal. I was looking for some river or a brook at least. See how many turns. Earlier when I came here it was a little bit uneasy for me to go through so much. Now gradually I'm picking up traveling in these kind of terrain.
Actually, they are running a good mission because the sun is coming from back, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah, look at that, how peacefully it is walking. Hello little peacock, yeah.
Look at the hen over here, no?
Yeah. So we have peacocks over here.
Nobody bothers, right?
Nobody bothers to see, wait and have a look on that. No need. Plenty are there. It's a timber place. Yeah. But all throughout, very nice road, friends. So you can come, but you need to get up early and come to this place early, Pinnacle Viewpoint, to see the mist.
Like 30 minutes before the sunrise.
Yeah,
See the sunrise like when you check in the Google, right?
right.
You get the time of that particular day sunrise.
That particular
And
day,
you should be
correct.
there before 30 days because then only you get the
Yeah.
sport, right? There'll be so many people are coming in.
Cars and bikes, it's safe. It's absolutely safe.
The place is come early.
Right. See, again, we don't know what is coming from down. Tapioca plantation. Wow. Beautiful leaves of tapioca. Lots of rubber plantation as well as banana plantation. So boy, how is it?
Yeah, I think I'm taking for a road goes right.
Uh-huh.
Maybe take that road and I'm taking from there to the right.
Okay.
I want to miss that.
Wanna ask to somebody?
I don't know how to tell them. So you enjoy?
Yeah, definitely.
Enjoying the ride or not?
Enjoy the ride as well as. Are you sure?
I go there.
Okay. So again, a hill climbing business.
I've been waiting for this.
My Kuti baby plays hill climbing in his device,
Another hill climb.
and we are doing hill climbing in a real life, not in a game, in a real life.
Real hill climbing.
Real hill climbing, it is correct.
It's going to happen now.
Oh my God!
So far it's nothing.
There's a little bobble over there on top. JCB land excavator. These are all wildflowers, friends. Some off-roading? No, but all this mud has come to the. All the mud has come.
Yeah, they are almost on the height of.
Oh, re baap re. Look at that, guys. Venka Deep Valley over there. Look at that, look at that. And there are houses down over there. That's the beauty. There's a proper cemented road to go down, and people are living down over there. Ah, bhaiya, blow the horn. The cable is out. No. Oh, Syntex ki tanki. Very less to see like this kind of water tanks, because we have lots of water in Kerala. Everybody has their own well, you know. So there's no pipeline supply as such of water, no shortage of water. So seldom you can actually see a water tank like this on the road for common people. Another down, ding, ding, ding. After reading and knowing and traveling the geography of Kerala, right? To get an idea. Actually, everything, if you see, no, we are learning from the nature itself, right? Seeing the way birds are flying, that's what my understanding is. Then we invented the aeroplane, right? Same design, right? When I'm seeing the color combination of saris or salwar kurta or tops, you see the color combination that you find in the nature. So we get lots of inspiration from nature. And Satish and Stuti are lover of nature, yes or no? We are not getting any brook as of now. I'm waiting for it. We'll stop. Yeah. Please. Oh, it's so cute, water. Wait. Ah, guys, this is awesome. It's kind of a dam kind of structure, Ani. Have a look. Seriously. This is great. When you drive through and you come across a small brook like this, it is so refreshing, guys. Now these columns are just giving me the miniature form of a dam. Look at the way the water is gushing. Great sight. Will you allow me to go over there? No. I know the answer. I just asked. I know you will not. But I would just walk. I don't have any fear walking on that.
No, because it's deep. because of this. I think it's coming from a.
I can see the concrete down over here, slab down,
Look at the.
and the the tapioca plantation over there. They have planted some nice coconut trees by the side, so when it grows, spot that, the two little birdies on this tree, which is tilted like this, curved. Awesome. Awesome shot. Awesome.
In the video.
Yeah. Make sure that the birds don't fly away seeing us. Yeah, he will not let me walk on this. He's scared. Okay, this is awesome, guys. Is there another birdie over there? So cute. Okay, so one of the birdie flew away. There were two birds sitting over there on these. It is a coconut only, Ani? Right? It's a coconut tree only. There were two birdies. One flew away. The second one is still there, white in color. And this is amazing. I'm just loving this small little, channel of water rushing through. And since we were having lots of rain, so there's so much of water. The nice sound of the water coming, and everywhere there's greenery. So friends, I hope you enjoyed our today's video to the trip to Pinnacle Viewpoint. Do remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Please write to us in the comment section. How did you like our drive on this road? We have done this in 4K, right, to bring the best what we can for you all, because you people are so very important and precious to us. So it's me, Stuti, and Satish signing off from our channel North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. Bye bye.